In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a Tarpapel in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design and type Banner in the search bar. Choose a banner template that matches your purpose, such as for school, events, or celebrations. Once the editor opens, start customizing the design. Edit the text with your own message, like a name, event, title, or announcement. Make sure to use bold fonts and large text so it's easy to read from a distance. Next, change the colors, images, and elements to match your theme. You can add icons, shapes, or even your logo from the Upload section. Keep the design simple and clear so it looks good when printed in large size. Once your banner is ready, click Share, then Download and save it as a PNG file for high quality. Now, to turn it into a Tarpapel, open a website like Rasterbaiter or any poster maker tool. Upload your downloaded PNG file and choose how many rows and columns you want. This will split your design into multiple pages for printing. Adjust the margins if needed, then download the final file as a PDF. Finally, print all the pages and join them together to create your large Tarpapel banner. That is how you make a Tarpapel in Canva.